Hello everyone, in this video I will be presenting on a topic that is essential for 21st century education. Unveiling the 6 Cs in education, the importance and their implementation in English language learning. We will explore what the 6Cs are, why they are crucial, and how we can implement them effectively in English classrooms, especially for learners of English as a foreign language.
Why talk about the 6Cs? In the past, education focused heavily on memorizing facts and following instruction, but today's world is rapidly changing. Students need to be equipped with skills that prepare them for real-life challenges, complex thinking, and global interaction. That's where the 6Cs come in. They are 6 competencies that empower learners to be more thoughtful, expressive, collaborative, creative, ethical, and globally aware. In this presentation, I will introduce each of these 6Cs, explain why they matter, and give examples of how we can apply them in English teaching and learning.
So, what are the 6Cs? Meet the 6Cs in education. They include critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity, character, citizenship. Each of these skills contributes to building learners who are not only good at English but also prepare for life. Why integrate the 6Cs? But why are the 6Cs important to implement in education? Because they prepare students for real-world challenges, both academically and socially. When students are able to think critically, communicate well, and work with others, they become more engaged and motivated learners. They also develop lifelong learning habits, emotional intelligence, and cultural awareness, qualities that are crucial in the 21st century. Let's start with the first C, critical thinking. In English language learning, critical thinking involves more than just learning grammar or vocabulary. It's about using the language to analyze text, evaluate ideas, and solve problems. For example, teacher can ask students to interpret a character's motivation in a story, compare two opinions in a reading, solve language puzzle or riddles. These activities help students become more analytical and reflective thinkers, even in a foreign language. The second C is communication, a core skill in any language classroom. It's not just about speaking, it includes listening, reading, and writing too. In English classes, students can build communication skills through role plays and discussions, writing assignments like email or stories, listening to podcasts or watching videos. The goal is to help students express themselves confidently and understand others clearly using the target language. The third C is collaboration, learning to work effectively with others. Language is social. We use it to connect with people. That's why collaborative learning is very powerful in English education. Examples include group presentations, peer editing activities, solving tasks done in pairs or small teams. Collaboration helps learners support each other, share knowledge, and build interpersonal skills, all while practicing English. Next, we have creativity. Creativity in language learning means using imagination and originality while using English. Activities that encourage creativity include writing short stories or poems, creating videos or multimedia presentations, acting out skits, or designing comics. These tasks are not only fun, but they help students take risks with language, express personal ideas, and engage more deeply in learning. The fifth C is character, which refers to developing traits like resilience, empathy, and responsibility. Language learning is not always easy. It takes patience and self-motivation. When students persevere through challenges like learning to speak in front of others, they build confidence and inner strength. Also, through reading stories or exploring cultures, students develop empathy and a better understanding of others. This makes character education as an essential part of language education. The final C is citizenship, the ability to participate in and contribute to a global society. English is a global language. When students learn English, they gain access to different cultures, perspectives, and global conversations. Example of promoting citizenship in class, learning about world cultures, discuss global issues like climate change or peace, connecting with students from other countries through pen pals or virtual exchange. This encourages learners to become responsible, informed, and respectful global citizens. So, to summarize, the 6 Cs critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity, characters, and citizenship are not just classroom buzzwords. They are life skills that make language learning more meaningful and prepare students to thrive in the modern world. As English educators and learners, we should strive to integrate these values into our lessons and lives.